Hello everyone! A huge welcome to all of you. Today's video is going to be very special, so make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down.